Okay, make sure Scene Builder is closed when you do this. I'm just going to run this one more time to make sure it still works. And here what I have so far. Now, I want you to get used to look at some of these tags, because sometimes you have to physically go in here and just make some slight changes. So, for example, when I ran this before, notice it says symbol, name, and stock, and price, okay? So just to show you that these names are just text fields, let's go here to the text here, and I'll say here stock symbol, I'll say here stock name, and current price, just to see what it's doing. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Okay, now I'm about to add in some more code, and I'll explain what it is. Okay, so in order to do this, I'm going to right now change this tag right here. This tag is a single-sided tag. I'm going to use a double-sided tag now, meaning that I'm going to go here and type in table column, and now this table column is, the beginning is here and the ending is there. So that doesn't change the look and feel of your code at all, or the look and feel of the page, meaning that if I run this, notice nothing's changed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this particular item here. I'll do Control-Shift-F, and this says cell value factory and property value factory. This is the property of the Java bean, the getter and setter, that we're going to put here. I will name this symbol. So in the class that represents the data I'm going to put here, it has to have a getter and setter with this name symbol. Okay, well, let's run this just to make sure this still works. And notice it's failing. It's telling me property value factory is not a valid type. So just like in Java, you have to import the correct items. I need to import that also. So again, I just wanted to show you the error just in case you see it. So on this line right here, I will do Control-V, and I am importing the property value factory. Let's save it. Let's run this again, and notice that now it works. Okay, so in the background, I'm going to do this for all three columns. I'm going to create a cell value factory for each column in the background. So in the background, I added those fields, the cell factory for each one of them. So this one is the stock name. In the property here, I'll type in name. So in the getter and setter of that bean, it has to have a value that's associated to name. And this symbol is, this should be the price, because this represents the current price. Let's save this and just make sure it still runs. And everything is still working. If yours is not working, just be careful on the spelling. It's usually that. And just double check and compare it to this video. With that, good luck and good go.